It's really important to always bring your best and make that a habit, because then you just enjoy your life more because you're getting better results, better experiences. Like you have better conversations with people, you get more out of them. You have better performance at work, you have better performance evaluations, you make more money, you perform better in your sport. It all comes back to you when you make that effort to do your best. I mean, everything starts with the desire to do something, determination, the will. Somebody asked me the other day, what are the two ingredients that separate high performers from everybody else? And like incredible determination to succeed is right at the top of that list, and focus. And so that's where the book had to start. But that dirty discipline approach is just like just start. And even if it's once and then you don't do something for a few days and you do it again, you start creating this habit. And even if you just do it for a minute, at least you're committing yourself to that habit. And then eventually it builds into this momentum. And then before you know it, you don't need dirty discipline anymore. And you have regular discipline. It can start really easy. And that's what I want people to feel, that it doesn't have to be this all in just yet. Like you can get there. Some people can just do that, and that's great. But if you can slowly build up, and that's why the book starts there, like the present moment. And that's where like our best performances are found, right? And when you have that focus and you're really tuned into what you're doing, that's when you find that high level peak performance. And that's what athletes do. They get so into the task that they're doing that they find that best level of performance, and not spending, say, 20% of your brain thinking about a conversation you had earlier today or this presentation you got to do later on. It's about bringing 100% of your mental resources to the task at hand. And when you do that, you get a higher level of performance from yourself. It's really that simple.